I watched this video on YouTube and I decided to figure out exactly if this strategy is profitable or not. So in this video, first of all, I will explain you exactly when to open a buy trade, when to open a sell trade, and when to exit. After that, I will show you the results of my backtest. I have done backtesting on the last 200 trades, and then I will show you exactly how many number of trades it opened, the win rate, the profit factor, how much we make money, and at the end I will show you exactly what settings I am using of that indicator. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen, and here you can see I have applied this indicator. You can apply this indicator from the indicator sections here. Search the same name and then you will find this. So let me show you. It's SVMKR. Okay, so here this one indicator, so you simply need to click on this indicator. It will be applied on your screen, and then you need to use the settings. I will show you these settings at the end, and for now let's focus on the entry and exit rules. So in this strategy, basically we have three rules. The first rule is we will be looking for this label like buy or sell label. Here is a sell label, here is a buy label. The second condition is the color of this line. So if this line is a red, we will open only sell trade, and if it's a green line, we will open a buy trade. The third condition is to open a buy trade, the last close candle should be a bullish candle, and if we open a sell trade, the last close candle should be a bearish candle. So look here is the sell signal. The first condition is met. Then we will look for the second condition. The line should be red, but on this candle the line was green, so we will wait for this line to turn red. On the closing of next candle, this line turns red, and the last close candle is bearish candle, so I will open a sell trade here exactly on the closing of this candle. The SL will be placed at the swing high and a little bit higher, like 2 or 3 pips higher than the swing high, the last swing high, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio, like exactly here. To close the trade, we have one more rule, that the trade will be closed on the opposite signal. So exactly, let me show you when to close on the opposite signal. So for example, here is a buy label, but still the line is red. This is not a buy signal. On the next candle, on the next, on the closing of this candle, the line turns green. This means here is a buy signal, so we will close the sell trade exactly here on the closing of this candle, and again we will open a buy position here exact at the same time. The SL will be at the last swing low, so here is the last swing low, 2 or 3 pips below that point, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio exactly here. So again, this trade will be closed with some profit or loss, no matter. This trade will be closed on the closing of this red candle, and a sell trade will be open on the closing of this candle exactly here. I hope you learned this strategy very well, and I'm using this strategy on the gold 5-minute time frame, and on every trade I am taking risk of $10. If a trade hit SL, I will lose $10, and if a trade hit TP, I will make $15. You can suggest me a strategy for backtesting process for my next video. Let me know in the comment section. And now let's move to the next part of this video, where I will do backtesting. Like 287 trades are tested on the history, and now you can see on the screen how the graph is going up and down. So I spent more than 3 hours to complete this process, and here are the final results for all of you for free of cost. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe this channel for more videos. So here on the screen you can see the list of all these trades. On the other tab, here is the analytics tab. we can see the progress, the profits, and everything. Like total net profit is $316. The max drawdown goes to minus $63. And yes, it's an amazing strategy. Like for a risk of $63, it made $316. The profit factor is 1.38. The win ratio is 42, but it made good profit. And it opened total number of trades 287, total buy, total sell, winning trades, the losing trades, and all these details you can see now very clearly. And one important thing is to focus on the graph, how the graph consistently going up. At this point there was few trades when it make loss, like loss after loss after loss. Most of the new traders give up in this situation, and after that there are big upcoming profits. You need to strictly follow a strategy for at least 3 months and then make a decision if you are going to use this strategy or not. If you cannot spend time on backtesting, you can simply join us, subscribe this YouTube channel, so you will get a notification every time when we publish a new video of a new strategy. And here down you can see the profit and loss distribution, like trade by trade, profit and loss. And here you can see clearly when a trade was closed with small losses and then profits and losses. Here is the win loss direction, how much win and loss from buy trades and sell trades. I hope you understand the results, the strategy. And now let's move to the third part of our video where I am going to show you the settings. Now let's move to the TradingView tab, and here I will simply select on the settings tab and the input settings. So finally you need to use these same settings. And one important tip is you need to match this time with your time. Let's suppose right now here you can see I'm using UTC standard time. You also need to select this same time and then using this time here. I'm sure this video saved you a lot of time.